All right, question 11 or 14, advanced question 14 tells us that we need to find the equation of each straight line. So that's this line and 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 this line. Let's get started. So this one, the vertical line, what's the x-coordinate there? Well, it's 3 all the way along. The x-coordinate is 3, so x equals 3. The horizontal, y equals -1. Good. Y is -1 all the way along. This one, we've got 2 points. This is the point 0, 3, and this is the point 2, 0. So the gradient, y2 take y1, so 0 take 3, over x2 take x1. So the gradient is -3 on 2, and using y minus y1, I'm going to do the point, I'm going to chuck the x-intercept here because I like having y minus 0 equals -3 on 2, x take 2. So I've got y equals -3 on 2x plus 3 on 2 times 2 is 3. That's it. This one, let's do the one going up first. So we have alpha equals 45 degrees, so the gradient equals tan alpha, which is tan 45. So the gradient is 1. We also know it goes through the point, we know the y-intercept. Y equals mx plus b, and that's b, so y equals 1x plus 4. Here I also knew the y-intercept. I could have just chucked in y equals, so that's the y-intercept. So I didn't need to do any of this. Sorry if you did. -3 on 2x plus the y-intercept, which is 3. Here I've got y equals 1x plus 4. Next one, alpha equals 120. M equals tan 120. So that's negative √3. Then we also know the y-intercept, so y equals -√3x plus 4. Okay. Oh. Here I don't know the y-intercept, I know the x-intercept, so it's not going to be as easy. So we have alpha equals, I don't know if that's the angle I want though. Don't I want this whole angle? So if that's 30, then this would be 60 and this would be 120. Well, let's figure this out. If we do tan 30, then that's opposite, which is -6. Okay, so that's going to be run over rise. So we do want to do the opposite angle. And we just want to chuck a negative in front of it because we know we're going down. So m equals -tan 60. So tan 60 is 1.7c, so that's -√3. Cool, so that would have been the same if we used 120. And then we don't know the y-intercept, so we're going to have to do y minus y1. The point we do know is the x-intercept, so that's -6 and y there is 0. So we're going to do y minus 0 equals -√3 outside of x minus -6. So I've got y equals -√3x take 6√3. And that's the equation. That actually wasn't too bad.